Hello and welcome. I'm Laura, and in this video, we are looking at templates in Canva. We are going to discover the templates section, what is in there, what you can do with it, and the different array of templates available. Now, please do stay till the very end because I have a super quick tip for you on how you can easily save all those elements, those images, those icons that you find when you're scrolling that you love but you don't want to use right now. I have a super quick tip on how you can save them and get back to them at a later date. So that's it. Let's dive straight in and have a look at the template section in Canva. Today's video, we are looking at the template section in Canva. Now, this section is huge. There is so much in here, and it is of huge value to anybody looking to use Canva. Big, small, business, personal, it doesn't matter. Templates are the life and soul of Canva, and I wanted to show you this amazing section. Now, it's in your main menu on the left-hand side. I've actually clicked on it here. So you can get to it from the home page. On the left-hand side, templates. It's available to everybody, free and pro. Everybody has access to this section. It looks like there's a lot on this page, but when you start breaking it down, it's really easy to navigate. There's always a top bar on Canva. Any particular section of Canva, it always has a top bar. In templates, we are looking at creating or transforming your docs with banners. So if you want to do that, you can just click start creating. But I'm going to go through what is on this page for you today. Now, the first thing we have is browse by category. Canva is great at categorizing templates. So if you have a particular style or template that you actually want to create, come and have a look through the categories here. Slide your mouse over to the left or your cursor, and they will go back and forwards, left to right, and you can look at all of the different categories available in Canva for you. Then we have inspired by your last design. So if you are brand new to Canva, you might not have a lot here. If you are using Canva already, even if you're using for one design, it will bring up some amazing templates here, similar to or have the same feel as templates you have been using. As you can see, I've got lots of amazing templates here for that I can pick any of these templates. If I think to myself, oh, I really like this one, it will work well for the project I'm working on, I can click on that template. It has more like it underneath. So if I suddenly go, oh, actually, no, this one is even better. I love this one. I want to use this one. I can click on this one. And then once I'm ready to customize, I click customize this template. What I'm going to go down to next is Canva's top picks. They have some amazing top picks that they have picked out themselves. And in each one, you can see there are multiple items as well. So Pinterest predicts. Let's have a look at Pinterest predicts. I can click on this and then I can scroll down and it has brought up all these amazing templates that Canva has grouped together for you to use. All different styles, all different sizes, but there may be something in here that you think, actually, yeah, that's a fantastic template and it's going to be perfect for the Pinterest pins that I want to create in my business. So I've clicked back onto templates to get back to the main page. And then we have upcoming events. So depending on what country you're in, we'll have lots of different events here in the UK. We've got Valentine's Day coming up, so we've got some Valentine's templates. Things you may like. I've been creating logos just recently, so Canva has brought up some logo designs for me that I can use if I'm creating a new brand or I'm a brand new business. Logos are amazing. The templates in Canva are fantastic. Bear in mind, you cannot trademark them. So if you're okay to have a logo that you're not worried about trademarking, then definitely come and use the Canva ones. We have Facebook posts. I tend to use Facebook posts quite a lot. I create Facebook templates. So Canva is giving me some Facebook posts. Business cards, small businesses, you're going to need business cards, especially if you do face-to-face events and networking. They are a fantastic thing to give to someone, or a flyer, or a postcard, even postcard size you could use for networking, or a bookmark, something that's useful as well as having your contact details on. But Canva does have a lot of business card templates. We've got flyers, what's new in Canva, so new stuff that's just come up, what's trending. We have documents, so different Word doc style templates that you can use. Really, really useful if you are a, say, a business person and you need to create some text-based documents, but you want them to look good as well as read well. You can use the documents templates in Canva. Whiteboards. Whiteboards are amazing. I thinking about it, I will probably do a video just on whiteboards because there is so much you can do with this particular template. So I'm not going to go into it now because this is more of a let's have a look through the templates and see what you can do. We have video templates in Canva as well, Instagram posts, Instagram stories, worksheets. So if you have children, for example, and you want to create something for them to do in their spare time, or they're getting bored and you want something for them to color in, come and have a look at these worksheets. You're sure to find something here that will keep the children occupied. More documents, we've got presentations, posters, more logos, resumes. As you can see, this shows you what you can do in Canva. It's not just your simple Instagram post, it is absolutely everything. You can create your birthday cards, your Christmas cards, thank you cards in here as well, and you can print them out. So that is just one section of Canva. That is just the template section. Then Canva breaks it down on the left-hand menu: business, social media, education, video, marketing, print, and cards and invites. So if you click on business, it will bring up the same type of topics, but aimed at businesses. And then it breaks it down even further. So if you're really looking for something specific, so for example, you want to create a letterhead for your business, come over to the template section because you will find it in the business section. This is what I mean by there's so much in here. And we also have work kits in Canva now. So these are a collection of templates of all different sizes for certain topics. So we have sales, human resources, creative, marketing, and small business. If I click on the small business, we now have there's some video tutorials in here as well on how to use them, on different things you can do with the templates. Then you have templates, you have promotional events and materials, operations and processes, team management. Then you have some resources. These are really good. These are like how-to guides and videos to help you within your business and when you're creating these templates. So if you are a small business, this is a really amazing section to come to because not only do you get all of your templates, but you'll get articles, videos, and case studies to also help you within your business. And then it brings up lots of different apps that businesses use as well. So, for example, I use Asana. It's a fantastic note creator to-do list type app, which keeps me on track. You've got Dropbox, QR codes, Monday.com. All of these can be linked to your Canva account. So you can see even LinkedIn, MailChimp, you can link your MailChimp account, create your images in Canva, send them straight over to MailChimp for when you're ready to create your next email campaign. So there is so much you can do in Canva. It is not just for your Instagram posting or creating pictures. There's so much more in here you can do. If you're a small business, definitely come and have a look at the work kits. I'll go back to templates so we can go back to the beginning. The different work kits are amazing. Like I said, there's your marketing, there's small business, there's one for sales, there's one for creatives as well. So depending on who you are and what you do, click on the create a work kit that is relevant to you, and you will find everything you need in that particular kit. They are on the left-hand menu. It has its own link here, work kits. and then you can find all the information in there. But we also have things like photos because Canva is full of thousands and thousands of photos. So, for example, you want to create a design, but you don't know where to start. You could just take a photo, use it in a design. It will ask you what size design you want to use it in. So you could say, "Oh, I'm creating an Instagram post, for example." You can find Instagram post, and it will then put it into that Instagram post for you. This photo is slightly narrower than an Instagram post size. So if I right click, set image as background, it's now stretched the image to fit my background. I could then add in some text at the top, maybe some text at the bottom. This could be for a new cafe or a new drink that's coming out. And I've got a very lovely looking design for my socials that I've created using a photo. Okay, so we've gone back to our photo section in our templates, but we also have icons as well. So if you're looking for a particular icon or a style or something that you want to add into your design and you can't find it and you can't find one, say you've been searching the internet, you just can't find a particular look or feel to an icon that you need, come and have a look here. You can choose between free and pro. So pro only, which there are millions and millions, but there are also a lot of free icons and photos. So having the free account in Canva is brilliant because you do get so much content. There are so many different free icons. These ones, for example, these would be good for, say, your website or a document that you've got some icons on because they all have the same look and feel to them. And you can find so many different ones in this section. Okay, I'm going to move. Oh, I like those ones. These are really funky ones. I would use them in something. I like them. They have that same look and feel to them, and I think they're really nice. If I wanted to save these, so for example, I've just seen these, I really like them, but I want to move on to the next section. What I can do is star them, and it will save them for me in my starred folder. And now I can go back to them in my account and I can find them. I haven't got to go and search for them. Okay, creators you follow. This is the next section. This is about the creator community of which I'm part of. You can follow a Canva creator. So if you use a template from the template section, when you download it, it will say to you, do you want to follow this creator? And you can click follow. And when you click follow, this is the section where all of their templates will appear. When they create new ones, the new ones will appear in here. So if I click this lady here, next time I come in, I'll have a row of her templates here. It does give you some examples of people that you could follow if you want to, and you can have a look at what they are doing by clicking on their image, and it will show you the templates that they have available that they have created. Now, I think this is brilliant because if you find a particular creator you love and you want to use their content, you don't have to go to their profile every time. You can just come here and you can find the templates have now appeared underneath here. Canva Creative Studio is Canva itself, and then their templates will appear here. But you can follow Deanna. I like Deanna has amazing templates. Let's have a look at her profile. Deanna has 81,000 followers. She creates some amazing templates. You can see she's grouped them together in different themes. So again, you want to come back. If I click back, I now have Deanna's, I have the Canva ones, I have the templates now appearing in the bottom of the creators you follow. And you can come and follow me as well. I have my own profile. I will pop the link into the comments of the video. And then at the bottom, do you remember I starred those icons in here? I found those amazing icons that I thought I like them. I want to use them. Come over here and click on starred content, and it will show you everything that you have starred here. And you get to have all of the items that you've starred in this section here, so you can then use these in a design. So click on the one you love and you can click use in a design, and then it will ask you what size design you want to use it in. So having the starred section in the templates here, you can see, go to templates, click starred, and then it brings up every single item that you have starred. So you can always find your favorites when you are searching, because I do it all the time. I'm scrolling through looking for a particular type of image, icon, element, and I come across others I love. So I quickly star them, put them into this section so I can come back to them at a later date. Okay, right. Templates. This is what we have been looking at today. I wanted to show you this amazing section because there is so much content in here. You sometimes may feel that you have to start from a blank page, but you don't. You can always use a template, and I very, very much recommend it. You can come in here, click on one of the one of the links on the left-hand side, and it will bring up templates and collections and work kits and photos and icons, everything you could possibly need for your new creation that you are wanting to make but not sure where to go. So that's it for today. That is it from me on this video. Please make sure you do come and follow me. I have so many different videos that I have planned for you, and we have lots in the channel that I know you're going to love.